Are shipping challenges slowing down your business? You're not alone. Many e-commerce platforms struggle to manage shipping efficiently. Introducing Shippo's robust shipping API. It helps you streamline shipping from pre-purchase to returns, ensuring timely delivery every time. Enjoy significant savings with real-time rate shopping across 40+ carriers. Easily generate shipping labels and manage addresses to prevent failed deliveries. Provide a hassle-free returns experience that keeps your customers coming back for more. Unlike competitors, Shippo offers enterprise-ready security and a world-class developer experience. Our dedicated support team is with you every step of the way. Don't let shipping woes hold you back. Get started today with Shippo's API for seamless shipping solutions. Contact us now.